Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate the Stripe payment gateway integration with the React Native and the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code. So let me go to the terminal and just restart this. Okay, and this is the latest React Native, the Java 17. Okay, and I have installed the React Native and all. Today I have set up this one with the latest version with the latest React Native. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to the, let me update the Node.js code also. So here we go with the Node.js code. I need to add the IP over here, 192.168 dot, it always changing. Okay, let me run this one also. Fine. Now let's go to the Anydesk. This is disconnected. Let me connect this again. Let me again go and check this why this Anydesk is not working. hmm Let me again do this. Why it's not unable to connect this? Remote user rejected the session request. Okay, so let me connect now. Accept. Start now. Okay, so here we go with my application. Not this. So here we go with, let me go and check this. This is Stripe example now. Okay, so do the make payment. Okay, so here you can see that the Stripe checkout link will open. Okay, here we call the backend API. So here you can see that the navigation state will come up over here. Okay, now we will go and just do the payments. Like suppose I'm going to add my email address over here, so I'm going to add with this. You need to add the card information. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This is test account, right? So 12 24 CVV number you can put over here, full card name, test Stripe, and now go with no thanks, just processing this request. Okay, and this is done. And here you can see that what it says, payment successful, because here in the success page of the Node.js what we have added, we have redirected directly to the success URL, and this is success which says that payment successful if it is paid status. Let's go and check the Stripe account. So here we go with this one. Let's go to the payments, and here you can see that the payments, let's see the payments, and here we go with this one. What are the payment over here? You can see that owner is test Stripe Royal Rajnikant, $10 payment. Everything is there and it is succeeded, right? Everything is like CD capture and everything, payment done. Okay, so this is, you can see that the payment amount is done, right? So how we are going to do that? Let's do via code level. Okay, so first Node.js code. Okay, so we have installed the express Stripe. This is your Stripe key, secret key, so you need to get it from the Stripe account. So here we go with this one. So if I go to the developers, click on the developer, here we have API keys. So just reveal this test secret key and copy this and paste it over here. Now we require course express. Okay, then here we have the API, the main part, create checkout session. It returns the payment URL, okay, which you have to open that in the web view of the React Native, then do the payments and do the data handling over there, right? Or saving the data or send the request to the backend, you can handle over here. So the create one, here we have a method card. So here we have to put the currency name, unit amount, and the quantity, okay, and the payment. So here we have a success URL and the cancel URL. According to it, you need to handle, then send the URL that you want to redirect, okay. So it will give you the URL, and this is a success URL. Whether you want to save the data or something, you can do that one. And this is the cancel URL. If the payment is cancelled, then what the process we have to do, okay. So this is the backend part. Next we go to the React Native code part. So here we go with this one, okay. So here we have the React Native. So we are using the React Native view for opening the view, right? So here first we have this one button, that is handle call API, okay. So when I click on this handle button, handle API call, so it will go over here, right? So we are calling the REST API, that is create checkout session, and we receive the data in the URL, then set in the web view URL, right? We have two states already, that is web view URL, right? So we are setting that state over here, okay. And if something goes wrong, it will show you that alert that payment failed to initiate the payment, right? So next we have, after doing the API call, we have to go with the web view opening, okay. So on navigation state change, when there is a state change, so here we are just open the web view, new state.url, we are just redirecting. Here you can see that in the navigation.state we are getting the URL to redirect. So I'm going to redirect this URL. After this, it will open a open to a browser and opening the URL and do the process over here. After this, you can set that the how to redirect to the main application or success and cancel, you can directly go with that one, okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.